Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Raycon, the Work Earbuds Classic. This comes in the silver, as you can see over here, the silver case. It also has that silicone non-slip feel covering on it as well. Here's some details about it. It has simple ANC, 28 hours of battery life with the charging case, IPX5 water resistance, awareness mode, and you have 3 profiles for your sound. Here's some more details on the inside. You can go ahead and pause this video anytime. These details will be below in the description as well. There you go. We like the design of the case, the feel of the case. It has USB-C charging on the back. It comes with a USB-C cord. You have a bunch of ear gels for that perfect fit right there. And then here's the case itself with the earbuds. So they're in there pretty good with the magnetics. So it looks like that. Nice shine, also has a nice feel to it. And these are touch sensitive side pieces right here. And it just goes in like that for charging, and then it shows you a charge level right there on the case. So you get everything you need included in the box, and these are great from work from home earbuds. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.